Welcome back to Samantha's Crazy Channel, and today we have Samantha and
Dad. Hey guys.
Today we're doing something super cool. We're making edible slime.
Edible slime. I don't know if we're actually gonna eat it though, but
yeah, we are.
All right.
So we have two types of slime. What the heck? We have two types of slimes.
Put one of those down.
We have two types of slimes.
Pudding
and marshmallow. So I think we're gonna start with the pudding.
Pudding. You want chocolate or banana cream?
I was literally just about to ask you that.
I'm gonna do banana cream.
Okay, I'm doing chocolate.
All
So
right.
first step, we take them out of the package, obviously.
What is
Step
it?
number 2, we fill the packages. Shake it all up.
We have some pudding.
Okay.
Ooh, mine's white.
Ooh, mine's
I'm
brown.
gonna move this out of the way. Right
Mine
now.
looks like cake batter.
I don't know how much that was. We're just gonna kind of wing it. We need to add pudding.
Yeah, wait.
We're gonna add some water and some cornstarch.
The bowl did not go like it. Okay, so how much cornstarch do we add?
About a cup,
About a cup.
maybe more. So it's gonna be
How
like
much is a cup? You don't?
about like that maybe. We're gonna wing it. And then you add some water.
Wait, how much do I do?
You're gonna add about a third of this. Maybe a half.
Is that enough?
A third to a half.
Is this enough?
Sure, to start with, that's fine.
Oh.
We're gonna.
Can I have like a spatula?
Nope, you gotta use your hand.
Okay. So add a third?
Yeah, about a third of that. Third to half. You might need a half. Oh, it smells good. Love the smell of bananas. So we get it nice and wet.
You love the smell of bananas?
You're gonna need, yeah, because I got banana cream pudding.
That literally looks like egg.
You need more water.
That looks like eggs.
There you go. I don't know if this is gonna be slime.
Or just like...
Just putty.
Goo. Oh yeah, of course. Now that I got all of it off my hand, I can't even use a spatula. So that's why you only mix on one hand. No.
I might have put too much.
I'll take some of that.
So we're still sticky. I'm gonna need more cornstarch.
Me too. I need cornstarch. I don't think I need any more cornstarch.
There. Move your hands. I'm gonna dump some in there too.
Thank you. I'm just like washing my hands in cornstarch.
No, it's like stuck to my hand.
I'll take it.
It's almost empty here. I have a feeling you're gonna need a lot more. Was that it?
No.
Alright, we get a little messy here. That's
Don't
okay.
get it on my new clothes. I can't get it off my hands. It's just like bread dough. Like, I can't get it off.
Come on, hold your hand straight.
I really need like... Can I just like dip my hand in cornstarch?
We need to scrape it all off of yours. I think mine's almost done.
I think it might have been something with the chocolate that was like... Okay,
Right.
I'm back.
Alright, I think mine's pretty much done.
Ugh.
Look at that, some banana cream pudding slime right
I
there.
need a little more cornstarch. Dad. Guys, watch this.
Back on the pizza.
No, you're not.
Seem to need a lot more.
Maybe add more sugar. Add more sugar.
Monk. It's a little bit sticky, but it's not sticking to my hands. Moving on. Marshmallow slime.
Marshmallow, yeah.
We're gonna need about a cup of this.
Look. So how much of it? All of it?
We need about a cup, but yeah, you can use whatever you want.
How many much are you gonna do? All of
That's
it?
probably about a cup.
It's probably about more than a cup. But
Probably.
whatever. We're just gonna do whatever.
Yeah.
I need all of it. I need more.
Use your spatula to scoop it out. We're also gonna need powdered sugar.
Ooh, powdered sugar.
We need about a quarter cup of this. Actually have a. Careful! Stop! Here, have some sugar. Okay, now our chocolate crusted cornstarch is what we need next. This we're gonna need about that much. Yeah, that's it.
Just a pinch?
Nope, we're gonna need about that much to start. We're gonna mix that all up.
With our hands?
No, not your hands. This will be stickier.
Whoops.
Yelling at me. This is officially turned into the messiest video we've done so far. So let's get all this. Yeah. Yeah. Prepare to look like a snowman after you make edible slime.
Oh my gosh!
Is it fluffy like a marshmallow?
It's like a cloud. Okay, straight up, this is how they make marshmallow. I might go more marshmallow.
Ooh, holy cow, this is so soft.
What did I tell you?
That is like a cloud.
I literally just said that.
Oh, but I didn't believe you. I do now.
Why?
Holy cow. Oh. Hey, you got a little something on you right here.
Yeah, you got a little something on you right here too.
No, I don't.
You're welcome. I think I got it.
All right, got something on my face.
Yeah, let me get it.
Hey, that is not what I meant.
Anyway, snowing.
Okay, at least get it in your bowl.
It's snowing.
No, in the bowl, it's snowing.
It didn't snow.
In the snow.
It didn't snow last year.
In the snow, put your bowl. They definitely won't hear that. It doesn't make a creaking sound. Snow, what are you doing? No. I can taste the air.
I can't.
Oh my goodness. Stop! Yeah.
You have a little smooch on your nose.
Here.
There you go. You guys, watch this. This is how you tell that somebody's just slapped you in the face. Ta-da! It's a marshmallow.
This definitely got
Look,
hard.
it's a marshmallow. Look. Oh my gosh, that tastes like.
Alright, I'm gonna put that there. Here's my marshmallow slime. It's still thick, kind of like the pudding slime. This feels so weird though. At first it was super light and fluffy. I think it was just like little pieces of fluff covered with cornstarch.
Something like.
Yeah, enough. Now stop. And now it's kind of like thick and hard. Stop, please, for the love of God. Okay. So now it's like a giant marshmallow. Okay. This is awesome.
Looks like I just put on some sunscreen. I think the chairs.
This is awesome. Yeah.
The chairs died.
All right. Here, try it.
Okay.
Play with that for a little bit. Tell me what you think.
It's like a legit marshmallow.
You got it right. That's going to be it for today. We got the marshmallow slimes, the pudding slime. This is the chocolate pudding slime. That was awesome. And the banana cream slime, which is so soft still. Oh man. You just don't want to put too much cornstarch, makes it a little harder. You just want to get it to where it's just not sticky. Now, Samantha's face definitely won't be sticky. Well, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.
Yeah.
Tell us which one is your favorite, which one you think you might try at home. These are kind of cool. And then click on subscribe.
Yeah.
You know, it's free. So thank you so much for watching. And we will see you next time. It's crazy channel. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.